have some ps4s that are in here for repair. They're just not loading. They showed the logo on the screen, but then they just I can hear the hard drive. I'm thinking it's a hard drive issue. I'll just probably reinstall. See if we can use the old hard drive or get a new one going, and then I'm not sure what this one's wrong. Yeah. We'll try to boot into safe mode. To go into safe mode, you hold the power button until you hear the first beep, and then until you hear the second beep. Get us into safe mode. And then I have the cable on, and the PlayStation button's not working. I have to change the USB cable for it to work, and we're going to reinstall the software. I put in my USB update. Okay. And you're going to go to the PlayStation website, and then there's like software update, and there's two things. You can, if you're going to reinstall the PS4, you click on this file. If you're just going to do the update, you're going to click on this. Click on that, and it'll download PS4 update file. I've already done that. So I'll just show you what's in my downloads here. You're going to get these .pub folder, and then you're going to use your USB stick, and you want to format it, and in the FAT32. Okay, so in your PC, let's say this is your USB stick, you're going to right click, and then you're going to click format. And then you just want to make sure that you select FAT32, okay? And then in the folder, you're going to make a folder called PS4, all caps. And then in that, you're going to have a folder of the update. And inside that, you're going to have that file. And then that's all you need for that in your USB stick. And then I've injected my USB here with the update files. It says the PSV will initialize, all user data will be deleted. We'll say, oh yes. Okay, so this seems to have worked pretty good. So if it's not working, what you need to do is make sure you have a good cable and a USB stick. You should be good. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped out. If you enjoy electronics or want to learn about how to fix electronics, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.